Managing accounts payable involves handling scattered invoices, chasing approvals, replying to vendor emails, and tracking overdue payments, a time-consuming and hard-to-manage process. This is where Zap makes a difference. Zap is an AI-powered accounts payable solution built to automate invoice processing, prioritize critical actions, and manage vendor communication seamlessly. Meet Sarah, a finance manager responsible for vendor payments. As she logs into Zap, she sees a centralized dashboard with cash flow, bills to pay, payment trends, and overdue invoices, all in one place. Instead of spending hours analyzing data, Zap's AI-powered smart suggestions guide her on what needs attention first. The overdue and urgency widget highlights bills that require immediate action. The cash versus payments widget helps her evaluate whether upcoming payments can be covered. The approval bottleneck alert identifies delays and the users responsible. Risk alerts flag high-risk invoices or vendor-related concerns. And the vendor communication overview tracks ongoing conversations and pending responses. With clear prioritization, Sarah knows exactly where to focus. Under configuration and settings, financial attributes and validation rules are predefined to ensure compliance. When a new invoice is received, Zap processes it automatically. The system validates the invoice against predefined financial attributes and standard accounting codes. If mandatory details are missing, Zap automatically emails the vendor requesting the required information, eliminating manual follow-ups. If the vendor does not already exist in the system, Zap creates the vendor record automatically. Sarah then reviews the validated bill and can approve it for payment, reject it for corrections, edit it before final approval, or void it if cancellation is required. Meanwhile, vendor emails continue to arrive. When vendors inquire about bill status, payment confirmations, due dates, or purchase order clarifications, Zap's AI reads the email, identifies the intent, and sends the appropriate response automatically. From invoice receipt to final payment, every step is structured and automated. Zap reduces up to 50% of manual workload, saving time, increasing ROI, and keeping everything under control. Reach out at sales@zep.co to learn more.